is bright like an apple pie. It rolls around and starts to fly. A red fire truck shouts, beep, beep, then spins in circles for it sleeps. Orange glows like the setting sun. It bounces high. Oh, what fun! An orange fruit wears roller skates and slides right through the garden gates. Yellow shines just like the sun. It dances wild and then says done. A daisy sings a silly tune while butterflies laugh under the moon. Green is leafy, cool and light. It hides behind a frog in flight. The trees all giggle, swaying slow as caterpillars start a show. Blue is splashy like the sea. It rides a whale that shouts yippee. Bubbles float and jellyfish glide with dolphins playing side by side. Purple petals twist and spin. A dizzy bee falls in a bin. A unicorn with socks so bright spins her hoop from left to right. Pink is fluffy, soft and sweet. It tickles clouds with tiny feet. Cotton candy blows a kiss and misses landing with a brown is cozy, full of fun. A bear slides down on his bum, bum, bum. Mud pies fly and squirrels cheer, then jump inside a rooty deer. Black is quiet like the night, with shiny stars and silver light. A sleepy cat puts on a show and raps meow so smooth and slow. White is snowy, soft and cool. It rolls right through a frozen pool. Snowflakes giggle, bump and spin, then sneeze out sparkles on your chin. Colors are dancing, colors are bright, silly and happy, full of delight. Wave hello to red, blue, green, the silliest rainbow you've